Let us learn the Amharic B verbs. The first one is nany. Nany. We type it like this. Nany. Nany is am, or I am. This indicates the first person singular, the speaker. None is are. We are. For first person plural, we say none. None. For second person male, we say nah. Nah means are. For female, we say nash. Nash. For second person female. For second person plural, we say nachihu. Nachu. For second person respect, we say nawot. Nawot. For third person male, we say now. Now. Now is not new. Now. Kaza for female, third person female, we say not or means in Amharic wem. Wem is or. So not or not. We say for third person female, not or not. For third person plural, we say nacho. 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 Oh, nacho. You see, in English, there are only three be verbs in the present tense: am, are, and is. Okay, but in Amharic, there are many. The first one is nang, nang, am, none, are, or we are, nah, you are, nash, you are. For female, nacho, you are. For plural, not, you are. For respect, now has at least three meanings: he is, or it can be it is, or it can be is only. And for the second person singular female, we say not or not. Both of these words are common. And for third person plural, we say nacho. Nacho means they are.